Welcome to Sydney. Not as good as Melbourne, of course. We're in the middle of Hyde Park. We've just had a lovely lunch at the Queen Victoria building. There was a big fat lady out the front. She was donated by Ireland. They wanted to get rid of her. So I don't know why they took her on board here. But anyway, here she is.
1922.
1922.
It was because of the independence of Ireland.
Yeah, no, but she actually came across in 1947.
Yeah, but they got rid of her after the 1922.
That's exactly right. They wanted to melt her down, but you know, they actually thought, oh, well, ship her out by boat. So anyway, we're in the middle of Hyde Park.
And you're here with?
I'm here with Jojo, and we're looking across to the War Memorial. So we're actually going to head across there very shortly. See you there.
We finally arrived here, St Mary's Cathedral, commenced in 1882 and completed in 1928. Quite majestic. We're going to pop in and have a look.
I think it's Gothic, Joe.
It is. That's right.
There we go. to in Sydney. Peter and Joe are exploring the sites. We've just crossed the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Fantastic structure. I think it was built in what year? 1932. Okay. Fantastic structure anyway. It's just been great to do it. First time we've ever done it. Bye.